Hello friends, today let's look at the first topic of our syllabus, which is grade 10 to grade 12. The first topic is undersets, and undersets we are looking at the first subtopic, which is known as ways to represent sets. So we are going to look at four ways on how sets can be represented. Number one is that the sets can be represented by listing the elements of the set. So by listing the elements of the set, it means that sets have been represented. For example, we have set n. Set n is a set of natural numbers which are less than 10. So the question may come to say list the elements of set A, given that set A is a set of natural numbers which are less than 10. So we're going to list them. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It continues, they are infinite. So in this case, set N is made up of 1, 2, these are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the elements. So these have been listed. You list them by putting commas. At the end, please don't write and the last element. No, just put commas. Then in number 2, describe the elements in the set. So sets can also be represented by describing. So when you are describing, you are giving it a name. For example, what kind of elements are these? Which is n here. So n is a set of natural numbers less than 10. This one has been described. Number 3, use set builder notation. This is where we have this language. For example, we have a is equal to open bracket x, such that x is a whole number between 1 and 9. Now you put in a set builder notation. So we're going to look for the numbers which are between 1 and 9. Numbers which are between 1 and 9 and their whole numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7 and 8. Those are the numbers. So we have put now in the set notation, we write it as x such that 2 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8, where x is a member of whole numbers. And lastly, sets can be represented in the Venn diagram. Talk about the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram. We have example. The whole number is 1 up to 6. Set A is 3, 5, and set B is 1, 2, 3. So when you put this information on the Venn diagram, this is the way to look. You start with the set A and set B. Which one is common in A and B? Find that it is 3. Then the A will remain with 5. What about B? B has got it 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 come here. What has remained in the universal or in the universal set? We have 1 has already been captured, 2 has already been there, 3 is at the bottom, 4, 3 is in between A and B. Then we go to 4. 4 is not in B, is not in A, so meaning to be in the universal set. 5. 5B is in A, it's there. Then 6. 6 is not in A and also not in B. So 6 will be outside. So this means that this 5 is not supposed to be there. So this is how sets are represented or how sets are presented, okay, using these four ways of representing sets. Otherwise, this is the end of our lesson today. We'll meet again as we have the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again.